Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today with this video we are going to discuss about the 5 interview questions which are most commonly asked in any interviews. And while framing the answer of those questions, you need to use some tricks. So that everything we are going to discuss with this video. Coming to the very first question is tell me about yourself. So this is the most common interview question that is asked in every interview. So there are many people they think like that this is a very simple question, but while framing the answer of this question, you need to use some tricks. Like in every interview, the first question is tell me about yourself. Have you ever think why interviewer asked you this question only? बिकॉज जब भी आप कोई इंटरव्यू रूम में इंटर करते हो सो एट दैट टाइम इंटरव्यूअर सबसे पहले आपका सीवी या फॉर्म से गो थ्रू करता है. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हेन ही इज लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स योर सीवी एंड फॉर्म, so he is framing the question to ask you, and for that he needs some time, and that is the reason he asked you a very first question, that is the standard question, to introduce yourself. So this is one of the most important question you need to prepare for. इंटरव्यूअर जब आपका सीवी या फॉर्म देख रहा होता है सो एट दैट टाइम देर आर लॉट ऑफ चांसेस दैट इंटरव्यूअर इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन you have provided in the CV or in the form. So this can worse the situation sometimes because ये जो questions होते हैं they are most probably based on your academic marks or based on the weaknesses. बट इन केस अगर आपने अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन कुछ डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग बनाई है सो ऑन दैट बेसिस यू कैन डिस्ट्रैक्ट इंटरव्यूअर फ्रॉम योर CV एंड फॉर्म एंड ही विल आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इंट्रोडक्शन you have provided to the interviewer. For example, you can add up your newest achievement or about your recent project so that the interviewer get the chance to ask you the question on the basis of your introduction only. And this can distract the interviewer from the CV and the form. So if you are able to do this to distract the interviewer from your CV or form, so interviewer will ask you the question on the basis of the information you have provided in the introduction only, and this is the best part in your overall interview. Like for example, in my time when I was giving one interview, at that time interviewer asked me this question to introduce about myself. So at that time I have just put up two things about the recent project and about the recent achievement, and on that basis only interviewer asked me the question. So this is the best part in the interview that can happen to you. So try to make your introduction as distracting as possible. Add something like about your recent achievement or anything like that you can just add up in your introduction so that this can be the distracting topic and interviewer will ask you the question on the basis of that topic only which you have already prepared for. So this question is the best opportunity to drive the overall interview according to your preparation. Now coming to the second question is strengths and weaknesses. So you might have noticed कि जब भी आप कोई इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हो so at that time interviewer will ask you about your 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses. So at that time interviewer is not expecting the one statement answer from you, he is expecting the instances. Like अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हो what are your 3 strengths, so I will answer this question in few seconds. But the question is that will you believe on that answer? So in the most of the cases the answer is no. So at that time you need to explain what are your strengths in the proper instances. Like आपकी जो भी strengths है, for example if you are a courageous candidate, so at that time what are the example which shows that this is your strength, that everything you need to explain in a proper way. So whenever you are preparing for any interview, just don't prepare for top 3 strengths or weaknesses. Rather pick up some instances from your life where you showcase these qualities. Now coming to the third question is tell us something which is not there in your CV. So here there are so many candidates they think कि उनकी ऐसी कौन सी achievement है जो उन्होंने CV में नहीं mention की है. But here the question is not related to your CV. Interviewer want to hear the instances which are not there in your CV. He want to know about your qualities and the example which support the qualities. Now coming to the fourth question is why are you the better candidate for this position or college? So here the interviewer is not asking about your strengths or qualities. अगर आपको खुद को प्रूव करना है सो एट दैट टाइम यू आर डेफिनेटली शोइंग व्हाट क्वालिटीज यू हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर. But what majorly they are looking for, do you respect the other candidates or not? They are just trying to spot the egoistic person. Like अगर कोई egoistic person होता है, so he will answer this question about his qualities only. Like he will show कि उनमें ऐसी कौन सी qualities है जो कि बाकी candidates में नहीं हैं. But the interviewer is looking for the grounded person. So at that time he is expecting the answer like, Sir, I am sure there might be many great applicants out there and many of them would have a great value to add to your company or college. And I hope the best of them make it to this institution, but I would like to share what I bring to the table. And then you can narrate your 3 qualities or strengths. So when you are answering this, they are not looking at the second part where you share why are you better. They are checking the first part, that do you respect the ones out there or not. So you need to answer very carefully for this question. Now coming to the 5th question is, why do you want to get into this college or company? Basically this question is not for you, this question is for them. While answering this question, you need not to share कि आपको वो कॉलेज या कंपनी में क्यों एंटर करना है. Rather than that, you need to showcase that why that college or why that company is so much important for you. Why that company or why that college is different from the other colleges or the other companies. That everything you need to showcase it to the interviewer. So while answering this question, you need to know about the facts about the particular college or about the particular company. And on the basis of the factual data only, you can share the answer of this question, that what is interesting about that company or about that college that you like very much, and on that basis you are interested in that particular company or in that particular college. So before sitting for any college or company interview, you need to study their facts or unique traits, and on that basis only you will be able to answer this question. So these are the basic questions you need to prepare before any interviews. Like if you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.